Hi Jaguars, my name is David Cunha. I'm the Director of Housing here at Esperanza Hall. We're excited to have you living on campus and we want to make your time at Esperanza Hall as great as possible. So please help us by visiting Please Don't Snore in order to access your account, create a profile. This way you can start matching your roommates. In there, you're going to be able to answer some questions about your preferences in roommates and suite mates and share a little bit about yourself. Once you create your account, you can visit the matching section to see your recommended roommates. It's all color coded. So in blue, you will see good matches. In yellow, you're going to see great matches. And in green, you're going to see incredible matches. From there, you can choose someone to start messaging and getting to know. Once you both agree to be roommates, just send and accept the match. Together, you can even find your fellow suitemates in the grouping section. It's that simple. Make sure to complete your profile and match by July 1st. After this, our staff will use the algorithm to match you, and if no profiles are created, then matches become random. If you have any question, call us at 210-784-1717. Thank you and have fun, Jaguars. Bye-bye.